All right, why is everyone buying this trifold mattress right here? It's selling, I think it's like over 800 units every single month, and it's being rated very highly. Why is that? So first and foremost, it's the wide array of uses. So we got like sort of an ottoman vibe right here. So there's an ottoman, also be used as like sort of like a stool type seat or whatever. But then you've also got, say you got like a wall right here, put this up against the wall. You've got sort of like a chair, and if you go with a bigger size, maybe like a queen size or whatever, sort of like a couchish vibe, where you're sitting in your chair, your couch. Then you've also got, you bring this out. So that's obviously a mattress, so I'll show it at the end, but you got this vibe, sort of like a, yeah, just like a low chair vibe. So you got that vibe. Then you've obviously got the main vibe, which is the mattress. Very nice vibe. Love the minimal. Easy to take with you. Say you're going to someone's house, you're going camping even, or you just want this around the house. You can easily move it around, move it to different rooms, all that. Very nice fabric. What is it called? Like chenille or something? Button tufted vibe. And here, as you can see, 6 buttons on each cushion. And then when you're done, get it like that, you're good to go. So pretty sweet. I see why everyone's buying it, flying off the shelves. Highly recommend.